All right, I think I'm seeing myself live. Let's see. Hello. All right, cool, I'm on. All right, welcome back, everyone. It is Friday, August 29th. As usual, Kayla is making her news shorts. So go ahead and go into our channel and watch that in about an hour or two. Kayla produces 5 shorts about the news, AI news every day. So please check that out. Super excited today. We're getting more and more refined with our interfaces. So I guess we're spending less time on figuring out how to stream and produce content and just give you good content. So today I saw Matt's newsletter, which I thought was interesting. So let's go through that. Shout out Matt Wolf. We're coming for you. Give us a few months, and our plan is to kind of be a bigger AI creator than you, hopefully one day. All right, so that's there. That's good. Okay. All right. So if you guys want to check that out, check out future tools. A few things noteworthy today. NVIDIA's earnings report was this the other day, and I was reading this. It's quite interesting. NVIDIA's Q2 earnings landed this week, and here's a breakdown. The numbers. NVIDIA beat overall expectations and issued a strong revenue forecast, but data center sales came in slightly below estimates, sending the stock briefly lower after hours trading. Which isn't bad. Basically, it came back, and I think right now I'm not a financial advisor, but it looks like it's lower, but not anything drastic in my opinion. So Jensen Wang still bullish on AI, of course. I think we're still in the beginning here, so shout out to NVIDIA. Anthropic drops Claude into your browser. As I mentioned, Claude is one of our favorite copywriting AIs, so that's cool. I guess it's going to be part of Chrome, I'm guessing. Let's see. 3 things to know. AI that acts, not just chats. Okay. Claude lives in a Chrome side panel and can take actions directly in your browser. Really. We'll have to check that out. Built-in safety rails. Anthropic capped access to financial, adult, and pirated sites. Okay, good. Security watch. Prompt injection attacks where hidden code can fool the AI are known issue for browser agents. Okay, that's cool. AWS, Google, Microsoft back open source document DB. I have no idea what that is. I'm gonna skip that today. Nothing here. Okay, so that's interesting. Getting to the topic of the day, I'm kind of excited. So yesterday, I started using Gemini, and I haven't used Gemini in a year, and it was so fast. So today, let's test out a few things here. This is not, oh, this is GPT. Okay, let's go to new chat. Part of what I want to do is I have Google Gemini, OpenAI Chat GPT. We'll do Model 5. We have Perplexity up. Don't really use Perplexity, but as I hear, it's probably the most versatile AI. Grok from X and Claude, of course. I was gonna bring up DeepSeek, but I don't want to like get involved with like the China stuff. So anyway, and I also Googled this. I remember one of our team members showed us a version of this where you can like have multiple outputs all at once. So we'll test this later on today. For now, let's just go ahead and do. Getting a little distracted here. 1 second. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I have a prompt from GPT yesterday, basically asking, write me a prompt to test different AI models. Let me just get this going here. All right, so let's try it out. Let me read this prompt to you guys. Let me grab it and put it onto the screen. Okay, we'll start with this one. All right, Google, as Gemini. All right, AI model evaluation prompt, 3-tier test. I'm just checking my screen here. Okay, looks good on the stream. Okay, I'm testing your capabilities across 3 levels. Please answer each section clearly and concisely with labels for each. Number 1, level 1, simple reasoning, basic logic and accuracy. Question, which bear is best? If I have 3 red balls, 4 green balls, and 2 blue balls in a bag, and I remove 1 at random without looking, what is the probability that it is not red? Okay, I like that. Simple math problem, at least simple for an ex-NASA rocket scientist. Level 2, intermediate memory plus context handling, instruction following. Task. You are my assistant helping plan a small event. Here are the key details. Event, AI demo day, date Friday, September 13. Time 6 to 9 p.m. Location, this thing. Attendees, startup founders, investors, and tech press format. Okay, format 10 startup demos, then networking and snack instructions. Write me a short invitation email, less than 150 words, using a friendly but professional tone. Include all key details above, and with a call to action encouraging RSVPs, add an emoji in the subject. Okay. And level 3, complex, creative, and real world insight. Imagine you are a startup advisor. A founder comes to you with this ideal: an AI powered app that helps people build emotional resilience by simulating realistic conversations with a virtual therapist trained on CBT techniques. I don't know what that is. Journaling prompts and voice interactions. The task: identify 2 strengths and weaknesses of the idea, suggest 1 creative use case that goes beyond therapy, draft a compelling 1-sentence pitch for this product. Please format your response using level 1 answer, level 2. Okay, so let's see how this does, and we'll price it. I'm actually gonna time this too. So right now, okay, so it's 1 second. 10:57 on the dot. That's what started here. So it's analyzing level 1. Ooh, okay, interesting. Okay, that took, what is that, like 15 seconds for those 3? So we'll evaluate later. All right, perplexity, what do you got? 57, 20 seconds. Let's see how this goes. Analyzing. Okay. All right, that was also pretty quick, actually. That was like 10 seconds. So Gemini and Perplexity did that in like 15 seconds or less. Let's see what GPT-5 has. I have low hopes for you right now. 40. Oh, pretty fast. Okay, that was 5 seconds. Okay, maybe it knows that we're doing this test, and it's like, I gotta step up my game. All right, let's see what Grok has. 54. Again, this isn't even the deep search or deep thinking version, so I'm just gonna do the basic ones right now. Okay, this was 10. Okay, they're all about 5 seconds so far. Or sorry, 10 seconds. They're pretty consistent here. And then we'll go over the responses to see. All right. This one's like 20 seconds, I think. Okay. Claude's a little longer, but again, one of the tasks is to write something, and Claude is, I think, more of a better copywriter. So let's see how they do here. All right. Level 1, the probability of not drawing a red ball is frac 23. Well, for people who don't know what that is, we're gonna have to check that out, right? What is frac 23? Fraction. Okay, 2/3. Okay, is that right? Let me just kind of see. Where are we at here? Wait, what? Where's the previous? Oh, I see. Okay, it's up here. If you have 3 red balls, 4 green balls, and 2 blue balls, in what I remove 1 at random. Okay, it's not red. So basically, there are 9 balls, and you want not red. So that's 6 out of 9, 2/3. Yep, 2/3. That is correct. Good job, Gemini. All right, level 2, subject. You're invited to AI Demo Day, and there's the emoji. Hi, everyone. You're cordially invited to our exclusive AI Demo Day. Join us for an evening of innovation where 10 promising startups will showcase their cutting-edge AI solutions. This is a unique opportunity for startup founders, investors, and tech press to connect and explore the future of artificial intelligence. Event, date, time. This will begin with the demos, followed by blah, blah. Please RSVP by blah, blah, blah. Okay, not bad. Strength and weaknesses, accessibility and scalability. The app can, what's number 3 again? Imagine you're a startup advisor. Founder comes through an app-powered app that helps people build emotional resilience by simulating realistic conversations with a virtual. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. All right. Strength and weaknesses, accessibility and scalability. The app can provide mental support to a massive audience transcending geographical. Yep. Data-driven customization. Okay. Weaknesses, ethical and safety concerns. I agree. Lack genuine connection. Creative use case. A training tool for aspiring therapists providing a safe 1-sentence pitch. This app is your personal, always-on resilience coach. Did we ask for that? Oh, okay. Identify 2 strengths and weaknesses, one creative use case, and drafting a spell. Okay, awesome. All right, Gemini, decent. Let's see what perplexity's got for us. Answer 1, the probability of removing the ball is not red. Is 6. I like this. Perplexity looks better already because it has a short justification. You're invited to AI Demo Day. I kind of like this robot more than the, let's see what I got here. The rocket ship. Join us, blah, blah. Although this one did not have like, I like reading stuff with like bullets. So it's like my brain pieces those out. Strength, accessibility, scalability, limited emotional depth, creative course, pitch. Okay, not bad. Actually, I might. Perplexity and Gemini, looking good. All right, GPT. The total number of balls is 9. Probably okay. This is actually not bad as well. You're invited to a demo day. I don't like this emoji. I like that they split this up here. Strengths. I do like the numbering. Creative use. An AI powered app. Let's look at these one pitches actually at the end. Okay, and then we have Grok. Total balls. Okay, I like that. Again, I like the robot here. I think this one's harder to read, at least for me. Strengths, weaknesses, creative use. Okay, and Claude. Claude, I don't think you did the best here, Claude. If you have 3 balls, oh wait, hold on. Here we go. Okay, total red ball. Okay, not bad actually. Okay, subject line again. This rocket ship. These are large. Okay, let's check. Let's take a look at these pitches. Let's take a look at these pitches. We're democratizing emotional resilience by putting a CBT trained AI coach in everyone's pocket, making mental wellness as accessible as checking your phone. Okay. And our AI powered app delivers personalized emotional resilience training through realistic virtual therapy, conversations, empowering users to navigate life's challenges with confidence. An AI powered app that empowers users to strengthen their emotional resilience through personalized therapy, inspired conversations, and interactive journaling, wherever they are. Meet MindLift, the AI-powered companion app that builds emotional resilience by blending CBT-based conversations, guided journaling, and natural voice interaction anytime, anywhere. Okay. And this app is your personal always-on resilience using realistic conversation AI and proven CBT techniques. Okay. I don't know if it's just the interface of Gemini that really is drawing me to it, but this looks cleaner and better. What is CBT? Because I don't know. Cognitive behavioral theory. All right, and then one more thing we're going to do before we go today. So we're doing this and this, and then tomorrow I really want to learn about running HTML code on a browser. Okay. All right, so I'm going to try the same prompt actually on this tool called ChatHub. I literally just before the this recording, they have GPT, Claude. I don't want to do DeepSeek. What do they got? They got GPT, Claude, Gemini. We have those. DeepSeek, Grok. Okay, Grok. Oh, we haven't done Grok yet. Let's do Grok. Meta. Can we do more? Let's do more actually. No. Gemini. Let's do Grok. Grok 4. I don't know. Alibaba, Zai. What are these? Microsoft? Sure. I kind of want to try Llama too. I never really used Llama and Kimi. Let's try some basic ones first. Perplexity. The heck? Okay. Let's try a simple one. 1 + 1. Boom. Okay. This is actually quite cool, I think. That you can see these different kind of outputs. This is pretty cool, I think. App Chat Hub. I'm gonna put this on my list. Okay. How many R's in the word strawberry? I'm using audio to text. How many R's? It's like this. Oh no, it's the okay. 6 advanced queries per month. How much does this cost? And actually, before we go, I'm gonna try this prompt one more time. All right, we're gonna put this prompt here. Monthly. Let's see what the pricing is like. $19 Pro. Interesting. Okay, maybe we'll see. We'll go free versions first. All right. So that was interesting. I think next week I want to try figuring out how to run HTML code on a browser, and I'll have GPT or Gemini. After today, again with only one prompt testing, I think I'm sticking with Gemini. It seems like a good balance of aesthetic and quickness and cleanliness too of like the response. But again, I don't know how much of it is just the interface that makes it look cleaner. Perplexity, I think, comes in second. Um, mm, um, Maybe GPT third, and then Grok fourth, and then Claude last. Although I'm still a Grok or Claude fan for copywriting. So. Anyway, watch Kayla's shorts today, and next week we'll see you guys next week. All right, peace.